Well, here's another update. Tried to get the motor to fit in there, it didn't want to fit. Tried taking off the carbs, still didn't want to fit. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is cut right here, right here, right here, and right here. And then just put in a piece of pipe in there, maybe about 3 inches. Make it 3 inches everywhere, so 3 inches longer. Then I'll have room to get the motor in there. And I'm trying to see if there's any problems with doing it that way. I mean, I'm gonna have a little, 3 inches extra of the same pipe right here. And I'm also gonna do maybe some sort of reinforcement right there and on the top, maybe the sides. And the only problem I see with that is that it's gonna push the foot pegs back 3 inches as well. So, I don't know. Y'all, let me know what you think. But that's more than likely what I'm gonna do. And if it messes up, then I don't know, I'll figure it out from there. But that's gonna be my plan for now. I'm gonna do that here in the next couple of days. The motor almost fits too. That's what's so frustrating about it. But we'll get it going, clean this thing up, clean that frame up, and start cutting it up and welding some pipe in there, some reinforcement, making it strong. And then also I think that'll help me with the swing arm, because it'll already push it back, stretch it about 3 inches. Even though it's just stretching the frame, it'll still be longer. So I might not have to get a longer swing arm, because I was thinking I was going to get a longer swing arm, I don't know, they got them 6 inches, 10 inches longer. I don't know, but I might still end up doing that. But I know I am going to end up getting the hubs that are extended, so I'll at least have that. And so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll keep y'all updated. Then of course I got to take off all my electrical stuff still and everything like that. And then yeah, get a welder in here. Start welding it up, welding the frame back together when I get it cut. And then I'm going to see if the motor will fit then, which it should. But because it wasn't really hitting on the top and bottom, it was just hitting this right here mainly. It's hitting this right here, so where the shot goes, and it was hitting right here. As you can see, I grinded off that little piece over here, but that didn't really make a difference. So now I'm gonna elongate this. But all right, we'll see how that goes.